In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports on monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to find the right template, add it to your workspace, and tailor it so your data tells a clear story. First, open monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're collaborating with a team, so the report ends up where everyone expects it. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the plus icon. This opens the creation menu where you can start new items. From here, choose Template Center. This is where monday.com houses pre-built boards and dashboards designed to save you time. Inside the Template Center, use the search bar and type the word report. This keyword will surface templates that focus on reporting, analytics, and dashboards. If you see a lot of options, take a moment to scan the descriptions and preview images. You're looking for a structure that matches your goals, whether that's tracking project progress, visualizing sales pipelines, or monitoring team workloads. When you find a template that fits, click it to open its details. You'll typically see what's included, like boards, dashboards, and example widgets. If it looks right, click Use Template. At this point, monday.com may ask where to place it. Choose the workspace and folder that make the most sense for your team and confirm. The system will create all the included boards and dashboards for you. Now customize your report. Start by renaming the board and dashboard to reflect your project or department so teammates instantly recognize it. Review the columns on the main board, status, numbers, dates, owners, and adjust them to match your process. You can add or remove columns, reorder them, and set default values to reduce manual updates. If your template includes a dashboard, open it and tweak the widgets. For charts, confirm the source board and the fields used for grouping or summarizing. For numbers, set the correct formulas, date ranges, or filters so totals and averages are meaningful. Use filters to focus the view on what matters, like this week's items or tasks assigned to a specific owner. Save those filters as a default view so the report opens consistently for everyone. Color code statuses for quick scanning, and keep naming conventions consistent across groups and items. As you refine, check that data rolls up correctly in each widget. Small adjustments here ensure your visuals stay accurate as your team updates the underlying board. When everything looks right, you're done. You've created a clear, customized report on monday.com that your team can rely on for real-time insights.